Well, hello again. Long time no see. We are going to continue with our sneezy activities, and I am going to make you activate your brain. So get your thinking cap on and tie it tight. All right, boys and girls, you should have finished your sequencing event on Sneezy the Snowman. And did you notice that when you did it, the events on the snowman here were the exact same events over here. Okay? And this effect, the effect of what happened, is the same in all three. So it would be the same in all three balls. Okay, just a little hint there in case you didn't finish that and you're stuck, but I know you're great thinkers and you probably figured it out right away. I hope you made your work neat and Sneezy is not full of sloppy writing because he would not be happy about that. All right, are you ready to hear what is going to make you think? I loved Sneezy's ending. He just couldn't feel right. Did you ever have a day when you just don't feel right? That happens to me all the time. I get out of bed, I put on my warm socks, I put on my big robe because I'm freezing cold, and then I get too hot. And I think, oh my goodness, I got to take all of this off now. But you know what? Sneezy didn't take his clothes off once he bundled up and got too warm, right? Because that was the way they solved his problem so he wasn't chilly, which created another problem. Then he got too hot. So, how did they solve the problem in the book? Do you remember? They gave him something to eat, and it was tall, and it was cold, and it had all different flavors. It was ice cream. So, where you talk about the author's ending, you'll need this paper right here. You will write a sentence, one sentence on what Sneezy did in order to stay at the right temperature, not too hot and not too cold. So you can say Sneezy's friends gave him some delicious ice cream. Or Sneezy's friends gave him some yummy ice cream, or wonderful ice cream, or tasty ice cream. Try to put an adjective or describing word in there about the ice cream. Okay, you could say colorful, flavorful, whatever you want. Then this is where your thinking cap comes in. I want you to think about that story. And if you were the author of that story and you didn't want to use the ice cream ending, what would you do to make Sneezy feel just right? Now remember, we don't want to take off his clothes that we bundled him up in because then he would get so chilly again and we would be back to our original problem. So, can you think of something cold that you might be able to give Sneezy or a place that you could take him that's nice and cold? We talked about a lot of those places recently, didn't we? Arctic tundra is kind of sticking in my mind, but I don't want everybody to write that. I want you to come up with your own idea and use your own creativity to give a new ending to the story. All right, boys and girls, have lots of fun. And again, bring these to morning meeting and bring them to small groups. And we can very, very quickly share your endings of your story. Okay, take care and have a wonderful day. I hope you're not too sneezy. Bye.